The air crackles with energy. The streets are alive with the sounds of sizzling pans, the chatter of excited patrons, and the occasional honk of a passing tuk-tuk. This is where the heart of Thai culture beats strongest, in the vibrant and bustling street food markets. The aroma of spices dances in the air. Each stall offers a unique blend of flavors, from the fiery heat of chili peppers to the soothing fragrance of lemongrass. These spices are the soul of Thai cuisine, transforming simple ingredients into extraordinary dishes. This is a Thai street food market, a symphony for your senses. The colors, sounds, and smells all come together to create an unforgettable experience. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, and every dish tells a story of its own. We're here today to explore a unique duo in Thai cuisine. Eggs and bananas might seem like an unusual combination, but in the hands of skilled Thai chefs, they become the stars of both savory and sweet dishes. Get ready for a culinary adventure like no other. We'll take you on a journey through the market, introducing you to the vendors and chefs who bring these incredible dishes to life. You'll see how creativity and tradition blend seamlessly in Thai street food. Eggs and bananas take center stage. From the rich, creamy texture of banana pancakes to the savory delight of egg-based dishes, these ingredients are incredibly versatile. They can be found in a variety of forms, each more delicious than the last. From savory to sweet, these ingredients create magic. Imagine biting into a crispy banana fritter, the sweetness of the fruit perfectly balanced by the light, crunchy batter, or savouring a spicy egg curry, where the richness of the eggs complements the bold flavours of the spices. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind these dishes. We'll go behind the scenes with the chefs, learning about their techniques and the inspiration behind their creations. You'll gain a deeper appreciation for the artistry and skill that goes into every plate. Let's dive into the heart of Thai street food, where every bite tells a story. Whether it's a tale of family tradition, a chef's personal journey, or the rich history of Thai cuisine, each dish is a chapter in the vibrant narrative of this incredible food culture. So come along and let's explore the streets together. Simple yet versatile, eggs and bananas are staples in Thai cuisine. They transform into an array of dishes, each with its own personality. The creativity of Thai cooks shines through these humble ingredients. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. We're about to embark on a flavorful journey. From classic combinations to unexpected surprises, there's something for everyone. Let the adventure begin. The sizzle fills the air. A wok dances with flames. This is Khai Jiao, the Thai omelet being born. Eggs are whisked with chopsticks, a rhythmic dance. Fish sauce and chilies add a touch of heat. Onions and herbs bring freshness. The omelet puffs up, golden brown and irresistible. Each bite is a burst of flavour. Golden and crispy, Gluay Tod beckons. Ripe bananas sliced and ready for their transformation. The hot oil sizzles, embracing the fruit. A sweet aroma wafts through the air. The bananas caramelize, turning a rich golden brown. They emerge from the oil, crispy and tempting. A drizzle of honey adds a touch of sweetness. Gluay Tod, a simple pleasure. The rhythmic slap of dough on a hot griddle. Roti, a thin and flaky bread, takes shape. Bananas sliced and ready to meet their destiny. This is the making of Roti Gluay. The roti crisps up, golden and irresistible. Sweetened condensed milk, a drizzle of decadence. A sprinkle of sugar for the final touch. Roti Gluay, a symphony of textures and flavours. But wait, there's more! Thai street food is a treasure trove of surprises. Imagine fluffy pancakes studded with sweet corn and ripe banana slices. Picture savoury skewers of grilled banana glazed with a sticky sweet sauce. The possibilities are endless. Step out of your comfort zone. Dare to explore the unexpected. This is where culinary adventures truly begin. The aroma alone is intoxicating. We take our first bite of Khai Jiao. The edges are crispy, the centre soft and fluffy. Flavours explode on the palate. The savory fish sauce dances with the heat of chilies. The freshness of herbs balances the richness of the eggs. This is a symphony of flavors, a testament to Thai culinary artistry. A simple dish, yet so satisfying. Next up, Gluay Tod. The crispy golden pieces glisten under the market lights. We take a bite and the crunch is music to our ears. The sweetness of the banana shines through. The hot oil has transformed the fruit, intensifying its natural sugars. The drizzle of honey adds a touch of decadence. Gluay Tod, a simple pleasure, a burst of sweetness in every bite. And now, for the grand finale, Roti Gluay. The thin, crepe-like roti, slightly chewy, provides the perfect canvas. The sweetness of the bananas, the richness of the condensed milk, the crunch of sugar crystals. It's a combination that's both familiar and exotic. The warmth of the roti, the contrasting textures, the explosion of sweetness. Roti Gluay, a true masterpiece of Thai street food. As we savor each bite, we're reminded of the skill and passion behind these dishes. Generations of tradition passed down through families. The pride in their craft is evident in every detail. This is more than just food. It's a connection to Thai culture. It's about community, shared experiences, and the joy of simple pleasures. And we're here for it all. Our bellies are happy, but our curiosity burns brighter. We venture deeper into the labyrinthine market. The sights and sounds wash over us, a vibrant sensory overload. We're on a quest for the extraordinary, a hidden gem yet to be discovered. A stall with a long queue catches our eye. Could this be it? The anticipation builds. The aroma is intoxicating, a blend of sweet and savoury we've never encountered before. The sign reads, Auntie Som's Banana and Egg Dream. Intrigued, we step forward. Auntie Som, her face etched with experience, greets us with a warm smile. Her hands move with practiced grace as she prepares her signature dish. We're about to taste her dream. A work of art is placed before us. Fluffy pancakes studded with caramelized bananas and toasted coconut flakes. A creamy egg custard infused with pandan leaves adds a delicate sweetness. The first bite is a revelation. The flavors dance on our tongues, a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. Sweet, savory, creamy, and crunchy all at once. This is pure magic. As we savor each bite, we realize this is more than just a dish. It's a testament to the creativity and passion that defines Thai street food. It's about community, shared experiences, and the simple joy of good food. We thank Auntie Som, her dream now a cherished memory. Our culinary adventure continues, but this moment, this taste, will linger long after we've left the market. As we step back from the bustling market, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The energy of the place is palpable, a vibrant symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that come together to create an unforgettable experience. Our senses are still tingling. The sizzle of woks, the aroma of spices, the vibrant colours of fresh ingredients. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. The market is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving and adapting, yet always staying true to its roots. We've journeyed through the diverse world of Thai street food, focusing on the humble yet versatile duo of eggs and bananas. These ingredients, though simple, are transformed into a myriad of dishes that showcase the creativity and ingenuity of Thai cuisine. From savoury Khai Jiao to sweet Roti Gluay, each dish has painted a stroke on the canvas of our culinary experience. Khai Jiao, a Thai-style omelet, is a perfect example of how a basic ingredient like an egg can be elevated to new heights with the right technique and seasoning. On the other hand, Roti Gluay, a sweet banana pancake, offers a delightful contrast with its crispy exterior and soft, sweet interior. We've witnessed the transformation of simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. The process is almost magical. as vendors skillfully combine flavors and textures to create dishes that are both visually stunning and incredibly delicious. Each step, from the selection of ingredients to the final presentation, is a testament to the dedication and passion of these culinary artists. The skillful hands of vendors, the generations of tradition passed down, the pride in their craft. It's all reflected in every bite. These vendors are not just cooks, they are keepers of a rich cultural heritage, preserving and sharing the flavors of Thailand with every dish they prepare. Their techniques, honed over years of practice, are a blend of tradition and innovation, resulting in food that is both authentic and contemporary. We've tasted the heart and soul of Thailand, and it's delicious. Each bite tells a story, a narrative of the land and its people, of their history and their future. The flavors linger on our tongues, a reminder of the journey we've taken and the memories we've made. As we leave the market, we carry with us not just the taste of the food, but the essence of Thailand itself, a culinary tapestry that is rich, vibrant, and endlessly fascinating. But this journey has been about more than just the food. It's been a voyage into the heart of a culture, a deep dive into the essence of what makes Thai street food so special. It's been about connecting with a culture, experiencing the warmth of Thai hospitality, and embracing the joy of discovery. The bustling markets, the friendly faces, and the vibrant atmosphere all contribute to an experience that is uniquely Thai. We've shared laughter with vendors who are not just sellers but storytellers, sharing tales of their culinary heritage and personal journeys. We've marveled at their culinary skills, watching them transform simple ingredients into mouth-watering dishes right before our eyes. Each dish tells a story, a blend of tradition and innovation, and we've left with full stomachs and happy hearts, carrying with us memories of flavors that linger long after the meal is over. The joy of tasting something new, the comfort of familiar flavors, and the satisfaction of a meal well enjoyed. Thai street food is a microcosm of Thai culture itself, vibrant, diverse, and full of life. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, with sights, sounds, and smells that draw you in and make you feel alive. It's a reminder that the best experiences often come from the simplest things: good food, shared with good company. In these moments, we find a sense of community, a connection that transcends language and borders. It's more than just a meal. It's a celebration of life, culture, and the human spirit. As the sun begins to set on our culinary adventure, we bid farewell to the bustling market. The sights, sounds, and smells linger in our memories, a sweet reminder of the day's discoveries. We've barely scratched the surface of Thai cuisine, but our appetites have been whetted. Thailand, thank you for opening our eyes, our minds, and our stomachs to the wonders of your street food. We'll be back for more, that's for sure. But the adventure doesn't have to end here. We want to hear from you. What are your favorite egg and banana dishes? Have you tried any of the dishes we featured today? Share your thoughts, experiences, and culinary discoveries in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more food adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy eating!